Crafting for cash isn't just about making money. It's a transformative journey that empowers teens with creativity and innovative thinking. It's an adventure that begins in the realm of DIY crafts, where imagination knows no bounds. As young crafters explore this vibrant world, they don't just create, they learn. They gain invaluable skills, from the meticulousness of crafting to the savvy needed to navigate the market. But it's not just about the skills. It's about the opportunity to turn a passion into profit, to see their creations not only appreciated, but also providing financial gain. This journey is about more than crafting. It's about building a foundation for future success. Diving into the crafting world opens up a sea of possibilities, but the key to making a splash lies in identifying your unique craft niche. This journey of discovery begins with aligning your passions with what the market craves. Be it the elegance of handmade jewelry, the personal touch of custom t-shirts, or the digital wonder of artwork, each has its place. The importance of carving out a unique niche cannot be overstated. It's what sets you apart and draws the crowd. Embrace the challenge, dedicate yourself to mastery, and research tirelessly. Your niche is not just your craft, it's your signature in the world of DIY. Embarking on the journey of selling your crafts online illuminates the path to entrepreneurial success. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Instagram serve as bustling digital marketplaces, each offering unique opportunities to showcase your work. The foundation of a thriving online shop rests on several pillars. Firstly, capturing your craft through high-quality photos that invite viewers into your artistic world. Next is crafting compelling product descriptions that tell the story behind your creations, breathing life into them. Finally, the art of pricing, a delicate balance between valuing your work and appealing to the market. Together, these elements weave the tapestry of your online presence, inviting admirers to become patrons. In the vibrant world of craft selling, marketing emerges as the beacon that guides customers to your creations. A strong social media presence is pivotal, serving as a showcase for your products and a bridge to connect with enthusiasts. But the reach doesn't end online. Word-of-mouth promotion, a testament to the quality and charm of your work, fosters trust and expands your clientele organically. Participation in local craft fairs and online communities not only broadens your audience but immerses you in the crafting culture, offering invaluable insights. Engaging with potential customers, understanding their preferences, and responding to their inquiries deepens relationships, transforming admirers into loyal patrons. Running a craft business is an art form in itself, requiring a delicate balance between passion and pragmatism. Managing earnings is the cornerstone, enabling not just sustainability, but also growth by reinvesting wisely. However, the canvas of life is vast, and ensuring harmony between crafting, academic responsibilities, and personal time is crucial for overall well-being. Integral to the fabric of commerce is exceptional customer service, which cements relationships and builds reputation. Meticulously tracking inventory avoids shortages and oversupply, smoothens operations, and sets the stage for future expansion. Together, these strategies paint a picture of a flourishing craft business, rooted in creativity and nurtured by careful management.